Hey everyone, in today's video, we will walk you through how to redeem Microsoft rewards online using your phone number. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Rewards website by visiting rewards.microsoft.com. Now sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, browse through the available rewards, choose the one you would like to redeem, whether it's gift cards, donations, or sweepstakes entries. When prompted for verification, select phone verification as your option. You will need to have your phone number linked to your Microsoft account. If it's not linked yet, go to your account settings and add your phone number. Now, enter your phone number into the provided field and click Send Code. Microsoft will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Once you receive the SMS code, enter it in the field provided and click Verify. If successful, your reward will be redeemed and processed. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your Microsoft rewards using your phone number. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.